The Rollator Walker HL450LB Black, manufactured by Healthline Trading, is a heavy-duty extra-large bariatric rollator walker that is designed to support up to 450 pounds. This rollator walker is constructed with a robust, high-quality aluminum frame which, despite its strength, is lightweight and easy to carry. Equipped with 4 large 8-inch wheels, this rollator allows for smooth travel over various surfaces, easily handling uneven ground and assisting with stepping up and down curbs. The HL450LB Black rollator features adjustable components, including handle height, which can be modified from 32.9 inches to 41 inches, and a seat that can be adjusted from 20 inches to 23 inches high. Comfort is a priority with this rollator, as it features a large padded seat measuring 16 inches by 18 inches, providing ample space for rest. Additionally, this walker is travel-friendly with its ability to easily fold into a compact size for storage and travel.